Just prepare yourself.
Hey Ruth, this is Josh.
Oh
Do you have anything to
voicemail? I'm leaving a voicemail. And I'm like, hey Ruth, and it's like,
Do you have anything to add to that? Do you have anything to add?
I can't even compete with that.
Oh, okay. We'll get you.